So Sunday, today, we are at Portsmouth Naval Shipyard Museum. Never been here. Japers and Jessica. Let's go see what they have. This super old thing. Wow, made out of wood. Civil War, the Yellow Fever, the War of 1812. All these bullets. Wow. Lived here all my life and never been in here before. Little kid activity table. This cannon. It's the Virginia State Navy boat. Oh, isn't that a cute boat? Got swords in here. The life of the USS Delaware. An ox yoke. Portsmouth in the early republic. A really, really old Bible. Look at that. So old. I love to see what the inside look like. A cannonball ring gauge. I don't know what that is. There's the Civil War.
Stop.
I can take pictures if I want to, little boy. The Battle of Hampton Roads.
It's still pooping.
African American education in Portsmouth. Hey, there I am. Norfolk Navy Yard. Couldn't imagine wearing all those hot clothes. Oof. Look at that cram. But boat. Yes, Jaden. This is the market. Oh wow. There's my shoemaker. This is workbench. The splendid little war hits home. Spanish-American War. This is their diving pump. Wow.
No.
Working women in the shipyard.
No.
He's not into it, but he'll remember when he sees this place again. And this really cool old transmitter.
See that one mirror?
This is cute. Little pocket watches and their uniforms. Fire alarm board is what this big, huge thing right here is. Wow. Wow. Pretty old there. A boat compass. World War II, 41 to 45. Outside, 2 cannons, and then this big, huge anchor.
Armor plates.
And now let's walk around and see what's around the corner. Yes, baby. Yes. What can I do for you? Here's another one. These things look super old. Oh wow. What does it say? 1795 Jiminy Crickets. This huge old Portsmouth boat. Wow. Here's the anchor. Is the doggy trying to get Jaden? Jaden is so stressed. And here's the info about it. Up close. The extra boat for safety. Oh wow.
What is this?
It's the inside of the big boat. Oh, this is their kitchen. Wow. That's the bottom of the boat. Oof, scary looking. Oh, here's a bunk, because it's where they slept. Ooh, a 2-man bunk. Ugh. Some more down there. Officer's headquarters. Oh, he's got a toilet, a shower. Where's his bed?
Yeah, it's a funny looking toilet.
Yeah. Oh, another 2-man bunk. Just a sink. I bet they use that for a toilet. He's typing up a letter. Oh, look at these old typewriters.
Back there's the captain's room. It's the nicest room on the ship.
Wow, isn't that something? At least he had privacy. He's in there working. Watch your step. I'm good for falling.
Oh, please.
Oh, they had crowns for japers. Little turkey wouldn't come in here with us. And then that's up. So it has 3 levels. Ooh, 6-man bunkie. Oh my God, could you imagine?
Pretty tight.
Yes.
You also got to keep in mind that we work in shifts. So maybe 3 will sleep during the day and then 3 will
Okay.
sleep during the night.
3's still a lot. But it's better than 6, that's for sure. Oh, that's their little bathroom. 2 sinks. In the shower. Oh, at least it's a big shower. They could all 6 take one at one time. We didn't even know this was open.
Yeah.
We just came by and saw the chain down.
Oh, thank you for coming. Yeah, we're only open on the weekends and we were closed for the longest time.
Yeah.
Because of maintenance issues.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh. That's the pantry? Is that the little washing machine over there?
Yep, they had an old 50s style washing machine with a ringer on top.
Wow. Roger Brown's for lunch. All this space. Nobody around us. How nice. I messed up my diet. I got a fried pork chop, mashed potatoes, and mac and cheese. She got the same thing except grilled. Whatever. You still got fattening, starchy mashed potatoes and mac and cheese. And he is just in La La Land with his tablet. So funny. I bought these like 3 hours ago, and now he's finally eating.
Why are you taking the bow? What am I thinking about? I'm thinking why you won't answer my questions and you are ignoring me. Say why you taking the bow?
Say it,
I
Jessica.
would like lots of popcorn nuggets, sweet corn, Pepsi, and 2 chocolate chip cookies. Yes, popcorn nuggets.
The Norfolk Ferry again. Look at my baby doing his own thing. Big boy, Japers, big boy. Here we go. We're on Portsmouth side, now we're going to Norfolk. Decided he was finished walking. He's big as she is.